22 News is working for you with some closures that could affect your commute in downtown Springfield. 22 News reporter Tashani Whitlow found out Mass DOT is planning a 2-week closure of a very busy road.
That's right. Mass DOT crews plan to paint the structural beams underneath the elevated highway, so you won't have access to a section of West Columbus Avenue during that time.
Road closings, detours are inevitable when you're driving.
Unwelcome news for drivers who use the Hall of Fame exit from Interstate 91 southbound to access downtown Springfield. For the next 2 weeks, you'll have to find another route. Mass DOT is closing access to traffic so crews can safely access those structural beams under I-91. Mass DOT spokesman Patrick Marvin told 22 News the closure is required so crews can paint the structural steel underneath the highway. It's just the latest round of closures that some drivers are used to.
When we know that the road closing is already going to happen, it's been announced, we try to sit down, give ourselves some extra travel time, and come up with a couple alternate routes for ourselves.
During the closure, you'll need to take exit 7 off I-91 south to access West Columbus Ave, the Hall of Fame, or even Route 20. After that, take the left onto Boland Way into downtown Springfield. Mass DOT's Patrick Marvin told 22 News the $148 million viaduct project is almost complete. He also said drivers will deal with occasional daytime and overnight lane closures on East and West Columbus Avenue between State and Clinton Streets through mid-November. Mass DOT spokesman Patrick Marvin told 22 News the project was not included in the work that needed to be completed prior to the opening of MGM Springfield. Tashani Whitlow, 22 News.